لیں رولس.
جناب چیئرمین, I beg to move the resolution, the Senate of Pakistan.
سر یہ پہلے رول سسپینشن اگر آپ پڑھ لیں سر, یہ کائنڈلی.
I, Senator Said Yusuf Raza Gilani, hereby move under Rule 263 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, the Senate 2012, that the requirement of Rules 133, 29, and 30 of the said rules be dispensed with in order to move a resolution regarding the recent earthquake in Turkey, Lebanon, and Syria.
Those who are in favor of the motion may say aye. Those against the motion may say no. I think the motion is carried. Honorable Senator Syed Yusuf Raza Gilani, please move the resolutions.
This is same. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Senate of Pakistan, reflecting the sentiments of the people of Pakistan, expresses its grief, sympathy, and solidarity to the people and government of brotherly Turkey on the devastating earthquake and the resultant loss of lives and property. I'm coming to that. Our hearts go out to the affected brethren in Syria and Lebanon, who are also affected by this international tragedy. The people of Pakistan fondly remember that Turkey was in the forefront rushing into a support of people of Pakistan during our devastating earthquake of October 2005. We stand with the people of Turkey in this hour of grief and tragedy. The Senate of Pakistan urged the government, non-governmental organizations to rush medical and other humanitarian assistance to the affected people of Turkey, and we also urge the Prime Minister to immediately leave for Turkey with relief goods to demonstrate solidarity with the people of government of Turkey.
Those who are in favor of the motion may say aye. Those against the motion may say no. I think the ayes have it, the resolution is passed unanimously. Honorable Senator